Fuel injector cleaners look helpful on the shelf, but many can harm your engine instead of fixing it. Some bottles promise a smooth ride, but they lower octane and break seals. A few even lead to repair bills over $10,000. This may shock you. 7 common products use chemicals that damage engine parts while pretending to clean them. Cheap kerosene mixes create engine knock that hurts pistons. Ethanol formulas pull water into the system and cause rust. And the danger continues. Even trusted brands like Seafoam and Marvel Mystery Oil miss the key chemical needed for real cleaning. You pour a bottle into the tank, thinking you are helping your car, but many cleaners shake loose dirt, block injectors, and trigger warning lights. One wrong bottle can change everything. A blocked injector can break the catalytic converter and cost over $2,000. Drivers already spend too much on repairs, so the wrong cleaner makes things worse. But 3 proven cleaners really remove carbon the right way. This guide shows 7 to avoid and 3 that truly work. Let's start with number 7, the kerosene-based cleaners found in many cheap bottles. Most smell like kerosene because kerosene is the main ingredient. Brands use it because it is cheap and mixes easily with gas. But kerosene is a very weak cleaner. It cannot remove heavy carbon from injectors. Here is where the real danger starts. Kerosene lowers octane, causing engine knock and piston damage that can cost over $10,000. Even with detergents, kerosene stays too weak in a full tank. It also causes incomplete burning, adding more carbon to spark plugs and making cold starts harder. Most drivers use it without knowing the risk. And what comes next will change how you see fuel cleaners forever. Now let's move to number 6, the ethanol-based cleaners many drivers think are safe. Because most fuel already has ethanol, these cleaners look logical. They act as strong solvents that remove gum and sludge. But too much ethanol becomes a real danger. Ethanol pulls water from the air into your fuel system. This water causes corrosion inside the tank, lines, and injectors. It can also make the engine run lean, creating heat, knock, and even piston damage. Older cars built before 2000 face the worst risk, since their fuel systems cannot handle high ethanol levels. What looks like cleaning can actually speed up the damage you're trying to avoid. And this is where many drivers realize that even strong cleaners can work against the engine, not for it. Next is number 5, Abro's diesel-based formula that many drivers trust. The brand is popular overseas, but the real chemistry tells a different story. Abro uses number 2 gas oil, basically diesel fuel, instead of proven detergents like PEA. Diesel fuel was never made to clean gasoline engines. It knocks deposits loose, but cannot dissolve them. Those loose bits block injectors and filters instead of being removed. Some drivers feel a short boost, then face rough performance and clogged filters. It delivers the exact opposite of real cleaning. And when a well-known brand fails this easily, it makes you wonder how many other products look safe but carry hidden risks. Now we reach number 4, Marvel Mystery Oil, a product loved for almost 100 years. Many drivers mix it with gas, diesel, or even engine oil because it feels smooth. But Marvel Mystery Oil is a lubricant, not a cleaner. It coats upper cylinders, fuel pumps, and injectors to reduce wear. What it cannot do is remove carbon already stuck inside clogged injectors. So older engines with real buildup get no cleaning at all. It works great for lubrication, but it fails for deposit removal. This is where many buyers realize they expected something the product was never built to do. And when a product fails because of misunderstanding, it raises a bigger question about how many other bottles promise more than they can deliver. Now we move to number 3, Seafoam, a product trusted since the 1940s. Many drivers think it cleans injectors, but modern engines need something Seafoam does not have. To remove hard carbon, you need PEA, a strong detergent proven to work. Seafoam uses naphtha and isopropyl alcohol instead, which are too weak for heavy buildup. It can loosen debris, but that debris often blocks injectors somewhere else. Seafoam works better on two-stroke engines than on the four-stroke engines most cars use. It won't harm your engine, but it also won't give real cleaning results. This is where many drivers realize they need the right chemistry, not just a familiar name. And when a product fails because it lacks the needed power, it makes you wonder what strong formulas might be hiding behind their own set of problems. Now we reach number 2, Cataclean, a cleaner known for its very strong formula. It uses xylene, acetone, isopropyl alcohol, and other heavy solvents. These chemicals can strip varnish and gum fast, but the strength often backfires. Instead of dissolving carbon, Cataclean knocks pieces loose. Those pieces can foul spark plugs, damage oxygen sensors, and trigger check engine lights. Worse, the loose debris can reach the catalytic converter, causing repairs over $2,000. Cataclean does have cleaning power, but it works safely only in engines that are already clean. Used on dirty systems, it creates the same problems you're trying to fix. And that's when many drivers discover that not all strong cleaners are the right choice. Finally, we reach number 1, the alcohol-heavy formulas that look cheap but cause expensive problems. Many bottles use isopropyl alcohol and promise quick cleaning. They do absorb water, but the damage they create is far worse. Alcohol dries out seals, O-rings, and plastic parts in the fuel system. It also leans the fuel mixture, making the engine run hotter and knock more. Over time, this heat causes long-term wear and early engine failure. The same strong solvent power that removes dirt also attacks rubber and plastic, creating hidden damage. This is why these quick fixes end up costing drivers far more than they save. And now that the pretenders are exposed, it's time to see which cleaners truly work. Now we move to the real deal number 3, Chevron Techron, a trusted name in fuel cleaning. Techron is built for one purpose: cleaning the full fuel system from tank to injectors. It works well on older cars, lawnmowers, motorcycles, and even hybrids. Its key ingredient is PEA, the gold standard chemical that dissolves carbon instead of knocking it loose. A 20-ounce bottle treats up to 20 gallons and is best used every 3,000 miles. Drivers feel smoother acceleration, better power, and stronger fuel mileage after one treatment. This is real cleaning, not a temporary fix. And if Techron handles everyday buildup, mechanics trust something even stronger for engines that haven't been cleaned in years. Now we move to the real deal number 2, BG44K, the cleaner mechanics trust most. If your car hasn't been cleaned in years, BG44K is the go-to fix. It uses strong PEA to dissolve heavy carbon fully, not just loosen it. One treatment lasts up to 7,500 miles, far longer than regular cleaners. The downside is the price, because professional-grade results cost more. But for cars with serious buildup or drivers wanting a full reset, BG44K is worth every dollar. And if this is the mechanic's secret weapon, the next step takes cleaning and performance to an even higher level. Now we reach the real deal number 1, Royal Purple Max Clean, the top choice for cleaning and performance. It is more than a fuel cleaner. It boosts performance and stabilizes fuel at the same time. While removing carbon from injectors, valves, and chambers, it also improves fuel quality. Drivers report smoother acceleration, better mileage, and restored power after one use. It keeps working for up to 10,000 miles, the longest protection of any product here. It also improves fuel burn, giving real gains in power and efficiency. Each 20-ounce can treats up to 20 gallons and works best when added before refueling. For drivers wanting cleaning and performance in one bottle, Royal Purple Max Clean is the best all-around choice. 7 products promise help, but cause damage, and 3 finally deliver real results. The truth is clear. Most fuel injector cleaners either do nothing or cause real damage. Cheap kerosene, ethanol, and alcohol formulas can crack seals, lower octane, and destroy engines. Only 3 products use real PEA chemistry that actually dissolves carbon: Techron, BG44K, and Royal Purple Max Clean. The $15 bottles often lead to the most expensive repairs, including $2,000 catalytic converters and $10,000 engine rebuilds. Real protection costs more upfront, but saves thousands in the long run. Marketing and brand names don't clean your engine. Chemistry does. The bottle you almost bought might have caused the same damage millions face each year. Not all cleaners are what they seem. Some destroy engines while draining wallets. But 3 products truly deliver. Techron for reliability, BG44K for deep cleaning, and Royal Purple for performance. Your engine's future depends on choosing proven formulas, not clever labels. Today, you know which fuel cleaners protect your engine and which ones cause damage. 7 bad formulas to avoid, and 3 proven PEA options to trust. This is not about brand names. It is about real chemistry. If this guide saved you money, share it and subscribe for more clear car advice. Tell us which product you used before. Your story might save someone else's engine.